Discover simple editing tricks to make your Android photos look just like crisp, bright iPhone shots. All you have to do is open up Play Store and search Snapseed. Select the Snapseed app and select the install option. After the install done, open it and now tap anywhere to open a photo. Tap on the image you want to edit. And as you can see here, you can able to see lots of filters. My personal favorite filter is Accentuate. This is the quickest editing just by clicking on this Accentuate filter and just tapping on this tick mark and select the export option and select save, and your photo is ready, guys. Just select the view option and go to photos, and as you can see you can ready to post on Instagram or any social media app you want, and this is the quickest way to edit. Now I show you guys the other things: portrait, smooth, pop, faded glow, and other filters are not that good. You can try one of these. And if you want professional editing, then go to tools, and here you can able to see all the option, and this is not needed for a normal user. Just for sample I just showing this app has everything. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.